Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the microphone echo on your Xbox Series X or S headset. So press the Xbox button, scroll all the way down to the audio and music tab right here, and you can adjust the volume of your headset. Sometimes when your headset is too loud, it's actually being picked up in your microphone. So you can turn your headset down a little bit and just see if it is being picked up and it's echoing. Also, you can do the same thing with your chat mixer right here. You can move it towards the party chat by going to the right, or to the game chat or the game sound going to the left. Then the mic monitoring is how loud you can hear yourself speak in your own headset. So if you want to hear yourself speak a lot, go to the right. And then if you don't want to hear yourself at all, go to the left. Now we can go back under here and we can go to our party chat and select this and go to options. Sometimes you have this turned off where it says noise suppression. Just turn this on and this will remove some of the background noise that's happening. So once we have that enabled, we can go back now, go up to the top, go to the right and select settings. Then drop on down from general to volume and audio output. Then go to the right where it says additional options. And under here, we have this one option that says party chat output. Just put this to headset. If you have it set to like headset and speakers, maybe your TV speakers are being picked up through your headset. So just put it to headset. Then also mute speaker audio when headset is attached, so you don't hear your TV speakers in your microphone. Then we can go to the volume chat mixer right here. And then we can just go to reduce the volume of other sounds by 80% or 50%. So it's not so loud and it's getting picked up in your microphone through your headset speakers. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.